today from my kitchen. We're going to make a Nutella pancake, which is so yummy, and I'm going to show you an easy way how to prepare the dough. So first let me show you the ingredients. We need half a cup of fine semolina, and we need flour, we need water, we need milk, and we need baking powder, we need yeast, active yeast, and dash of salt. By the way, I'm going to list down the ingredients and with the measurements if you want to try it, and I'm sure that you will like it. So first we're going to mix all these ingredients in the blender. You can use a whisk if you like, but that will be easier. So here we added 2 cups of water. I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. I'm going to add the dry ingredients after that, and I'm going to mix them very good. So just add them all in one time. That's it. Oopsie, that's it. Okay, so I'm going to close it and mix them very good, or blend them. That's it. All right, so here we go. I'm going to pour the mixture here. That's what we want. Now, after we mix them, I'm going to leave them for about 2 hours in a warm place. You can just put them in the oven if you like and close it. Okay, you don't need to cover them. Just leave them like so. But the mixture have to be mixed very good. So as you can see, it's very smooth. Okay guys, here we go. This is after 2 hours, so I just mixed them a little bit with a spoon. Perfect. Wait for a few seconds and it will be ready. So each one take like between 30 to 50 or 30 seconds to 1 minute, not more than that. Look at the bubbles. Uh-oh, hurry up. Wow. So as you can see, we didn't add any sugar for this recipe dough. It's so easy and it's so delicious. My children, they love it a lot, with Nutella, with honey, with syrup, with fruit, with cream. Look at this, super delicious. And I'm going to carry on doing the rest off camera and see you after that. Make sure to put them on top of each other, so put each one next to the other. Let them to cool down, and then you can just add the Nutella or wherever you like, jam or wherever you like. See? Okay guys, here we go. This is the pancake. So we've got, from this amount, we've got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 pancake, this size, which is so yummy and so delicious. So what I'm going to do here, I have Nutella. I'm going to put some here and start spreading them on the pancake. You can just add banana. My children, they doesn't like banana too much when I make sweets, so they prefer just Nutella. If you like to add strawberry inside the banana, anything that you like. Okay, here we go. So let's start. Here we have the first one. Take the Nutella, spread it, then take it, roll it like so if you like, and then put it here. Oh yummy. So I'm gonna make another one. This is another one. So just take the Nutella. Okay, then spread it here, then roll it. Ooh, here we go. So I'm going to carry on doing more and more. Okay guys, here we go. This is the pancake. They look so yummy, and I still have some here, pancake. What I'm going to do, I just melted some Nutella. I'm going to put them at the top, or drizzle them on the top. Okay. Oh, that looks so delicious. Oh my goodness. Ooh, chocolate lovers or Nutella lovers, guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you like this recipe. By the way, I'm going to list down the ingredients down in the description box. Please check it. I always keep receiving messages, please can we have the recipe. Most of my of all of my new videos, I always keep for you the recipe down in the description. Please check it under the video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you like my recipe. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video of another recipe of food. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.